This is the elevator at 607 either College Street or Ellsworth Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is either a Dover or Dover or thyssenkrupp Oildraulic elevator with impulse fixtures. Here it is. Installed by Marshall, put onto the basement, and it's locked. Three, two, from. Here we go. thyssenkrupp. Two, from. Back to the lobby, I believe one's locked. Yep. Just a basic cab. LED lighting. There was someone in the office through a glass window right there. Your certificate, someone crossed out the old expiration date, but the new one, that's stupid. Here, pick up one, case 59's elevator, especially since the issue date is still the old one. That's just plain stupid. Past me, this was installed in 2003. So this is just a thyssenkrupp, not a Dover. It's not that Marshall that goes, and that's gonna be it.